guys, so today is Wednesday, and you know what that means. It is time to go on to Fox 13 and introduce the pet of the day, who is Cinnabun. Let's take a peek at Cinnabun. Cinnabun is up for adoption, and Cinnabun is just the cutest little boy. He's 3 years old. He is a hound, and he is actually the first special needs dog that I've introduced on TV. He has, unfortunately, nerve damage in all 4 of his legs, so he really needs a sweet, sweet family who's going to care for him and love for him. But as you can see, I'm going to walk him a little bit. He walks really well. He's got some nerve damage in each of his limbs, but he walks really well, and he's the sweetest, sweetest boy. So come here. Come on, Cinnabun. Come on, Cinnabun. As you can see, he walks pretty good, but he does have a little bit of a wobbly balance. But outside of that, he is an adorable dog. So if you guys are thinking about adopting a new family member and you want to give Cinnabun a great new home, he's definitely looking for a family that he can call his own. And so definitely check him out on Fox 13 as well as the Utah Humane.